Alright, we're back with News Signals video 2. In this video I want to show how to run one of our Colab notebooks, and we're going to do it completely from scratch. So we're going to literally create a new News API trial account and use those credentials and then use this code base. Anyone in the world right now can do this without any input from anybody. So here we go. We have these sample notebooks. We're building these out. I'm just going to click one of them. If you don't already have Colab set up, you may need to install it in your Google Drive. I already have it set up, so I can just go right in. This notebook's going to open in Colab, and I'm just going to start running the cells. So this first cell is going to pip install News Signals, then import the things that I need. Now here I need to set these keys because I'm going to use the Alien News API. So I created a new trial account, and I'm just going to move my window off screen so I can put the credentials in that field, and then I'll scroll down so you can't see them. So this is so that I don't share my credentials with the world. Just bear with me. I'm copying my credentials from our web UI dashboard. I copied my app ID. Now I'll copy my API key. And I'm just replacing those variables in the notebook, and I'm going to run that cell. Now I'll scroll up so you can't see it and move my window back over. So I should be good to go. I want to investigate an entity with this name, OpenAI. We know what entity this is, but in principle you could type any entity that you want as long as it's in Wikidata and it's something that you expect to be in the news. And I'll just run these cells. I queried Wikidata, searched Wikidata, and found the entity ID that I was looking for. Now you might not find this, but hopefully for a common enough entity, you would. I'll create a signal. Now I want to instantiate my signal from, you can put any dates you want, but better to put recent ones. So I'm doing it from January 1st, 2023 until February 1st, 2023. Get the time series. Okay, I see the two big peaks, and it looks like it was starting to peak again at the end of the month. Let me look at, I'm going to convert that into an anomaly time series so I can look at what the anomalies were. It's already pretty obvious from the counts, but the anomalies will make it even more obvious which time windows were anomalous. Let's just see which day was the most anomalous day in that window. It was January 23rd. And now I just want to know what was going on that day. Just a quick check. So I retrieved some stories, and I can look. It was this Microsoft investment in ChatGPT that caused that spike, it looks like, just from looking at the story titles. The last thing I want to show is that you can save signals. So I can, now that I have this, I can save it, and I could share that with someone else, and they wouldn't need a News API key. They could just load it directly. So I saved it in Google Drive, and now I can load it again from the same place I saved it from. And just to show that that worked, I can plot it again, and I can start, dig into the stories, look at the title entities in the stories, whatever. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much. Cheers.